Voiceover artists are seemingly terrified of AI and what it's doing to this industry. On this episode of In the Booth with Earl Hall, we're going to talk about that and how actually you can utilize AI to actually make money in this industry, all with ElevenLabs. Let's talk about it.
Voiceover pros, you're live on the booth. Time to level up, boost your business truth. Networking demo, drop skills on command. In the booth with Earl Hall, grow your brand.
There are three ways that I currently make money using AI, using ElevenLabs to really propel what it is that I'm doing as a professional voice actor. I'm going to give you three. I may give you a couple more bonuses as well. If you want to go ahead and sign up for an account with ElevenLabs, just use the link in the description. So we're going to pop off into this because, first of all, we know AI is not going anywhere. There are a lot of people in our industry, in the voiceover industry, that are quote unquote worried. They're complaining, they're bothered, they're scared about what's happening in our industry with AI. But the truth is, we need to look at this from a much different perspective. Because I've said before, AI is not going anywhere. It is here. But how are we literally going to take advantage of it? Okay, so the first thing we actually need to do is go ahead and set up an account on ElevenLabs. Once you get this account set up, it's going to take you to basically your profile page. The next thing that you want to do is go ahead and set up your voice. I've got my voices in here, and so I can show you this, but what you want to do is click on create or clone your voice. I can't set up another one unless I increase my account, which I probably will be doing shortly, but you want this right here, the professional voice clone. Create the most realistic digital replica of your voice. You need at least 30 minutes of clean audio. You can do more. I think I did about 40 minutes or so to create the voice that I created. And once you have that set up, what's going to happen is that you can go ahead and start marketing your voice on ElevenLabs. If I look at my voices here, I've got two. Now this is the one with the gold check mark, I believe. This is my professional voice clone. This is what people are paying for every single day. And if we look at this here, you can see right here on the screen, 186 users have used my voice. 186 users have used my voice. I set this account up literally about a month ago, and it is really taken off. Now, the amount of money that you can make with this is, well, I'll just show you here. It starts off, again, this has only been a month for me. So if I go to my, let me just see here, my payouts. All right, so on 8/12, I got $10. On 9/9, I got another $10, 26 cents. So you can see literally what's happened over the past month. This I look at just about every week to see what's going on, and you can see exactly how the payouts work here. But here's the kicker about this whole thing on ElevenLabs. I created my voice once. It's up there. People find it, they see it, and they pay to use it. All they do is they put in their script, and they create what it is that they want to create with the voice that's available on ElevenLabs. This is completely passive. I don't have to think about it. Now, the thing that I do, and I'm starting to do more now over the past week, is market that voice on ElevenLabs. Where am I marketing this thing? I'm marketing on places like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, but in particularly on LinkedIn because of the voice style that I have. So that's key and that's important. So now that's like the way right now to go ahead and start making money by setting up your creator account on ElevenLabs. And let's just take a look so you can see the cost. I think you'll get like a month free for this as well. But if we look at the account is on this. So I have currently a creator plan. It's $22 a month. That's billed monthly. You could go to a yearly plan, which would drop it down to $18.33. And I'm going to be upgrading to the Pro account, excuse me, because I want to add more voice styles. I want to add 2 more voice styles to increase what I have the ability to do as far as people being able to select the type of voice. The current voice that I have is just my basic voice. I want to do one for promos, right? For commercials and things of that nature. And maybe one for like VSLs, video sales letters, something like that. But this is how you go ahead and do that. And once again, I mean, you can start with a starter account. You can have a free account. Go ahead, click the link in the description to set this up. Now, what are some of the other ways that I'm actually making money here utilizing ElevenLabs? So let me just take a look at my notes. What is it that I do? You can create commercials, audio only, with text and music. Did you see the intro that I have with the rap on there, the hip hop? That was all created in ElevenLabs. But here's what I did, and it created this for me. Do a product or service for someone else. But once again, this was what I did. It's just create a 30-second podcast intro, said the name of the podcast is In the Booth with Earl Hall, and it gave me these different variations, and I selected the variation that I wanted to have. This is something that you can offer to other people to be able to do as well. It's something that I'm adding to my product list to help people create their video intros, their podcast intros. If they just want audio to go with what it is that they're doing, they don't need the video effects. But again, I made mine using the audio and I created the video to go behind it. What I charge for that, just audio, is $97 for a 30-second audio. For video, I think it's like $150 to do that whole thing with video. Promo videos, things of that nature. What else do we have here? All right, that's how to create commercials and intros and things of that. But what you can also do is create background music. Now you can create your own background music with a simple description of what it is that you want, just like I did. You can have lyrics in it. You don't have to have lyrics in it. But here's the thing. It's a service you can offer, not just a service you can use. But when I think about what I pay every month for different services that I have to get royalty-free music, now I can literally create my own. And it's one of those processes that I go through when I'm doing these things to like, look, what type of music do I want? How do I want it to sound? Da, 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 da. Now I can do this all inside of ElevenLabs. If you go back to the intro that I did when I just did the first part before you saw the intro video, that was the music from ElevenLabs. I just said, create this. And it created that music. You'll hear it again at the end of the video. But it's a service that you can provide. Are you seeing the ways that you can actually utilize ElevenLabs, this whole AI movement, to really benefit you as a voiceover artist? Now, when you think about, first of all, you need to create your creator account, offer your AI voice on social media. The thing is, that just enhances it, because even before I started utilizing social media about a week ago, people were already using my voice. As you saw, 186 users so far. And they pay by the characters as far as what they type in. They pay by each letter. And the more letters, the more money you make, so on and so forth. The more users you have, all of that comes into effect. Now, again, you can, first of all, set up your ElevenLabs account, the creator account. Use the link in the description. Offer your AI voice. Use your real voice with background music on ElevenLabs to create what it is that you want to create. Think about your demos that you have to create. You can do this all inside of ElevenLabs. Think about integrating these different forms of being able to generate revenue that are going to actually make an impact for you. Can you see? Leave me some comments. I want to see what you actually think about utilizing this whole process with ElevenLabs, because the more I dive into it, the more that I see. And now this whole music thing, I'm going to share my screen with you here again, because inside of ElevenLabs music, Again, you can describe the song. What is the song that you want? Now, I describe the song for my intro, right? So here's one variation.
Yo, you tuned in live with Earl Boots. In the booth, we keep it raw and smooth, yo.
Here's another variation.
Yo, voiceover pros, your life on the booth. Time to level up, boost your biz with truth. Networking, demo, drop skills on common. In the booth with Earl Hall, grow your brand.
Now, I said, can you give me the exact music with no lyrics? And you hear what that sounds like, right? Now, there are so many different things that you're going to be able to utilize ElevenLabs for inside of your voiceover business that is actually going to generate you money, being able to utilize AI for what it is that you're looking to do. Leave me your comments, leave me your questions. Let's have a conversation around all of this so we, in this new era of voiceover, can discuss and talk about how it is that we're going to take advantage of all of this and not be left behind, because we can do it if we simply grind and don't quit. I'll see you on the next episode of In the Booth with Earl Hall. Make sure you click the link in the description. Sign up for ElevenLabs right now.